Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI and I wanted to show you this cute little tool here that I have. This is an air purifier. It plugs into the wall, super simple, super small. You can put it in any room. I do have this at the front door. I do switch it around from time to time, and this works on the negative ions in the air. It cleans the air and it works amazingly. You do have a hidden plug-in part that folds back. You're able to open it up. There's 3 different cycles. So the green is on and it's the cycle continuously going. You do have the blue one that is timed, so it's purifying the air, getting rid of the negative ions. And then you do have a red one here for a cycle. So it'll work for 10 minutes and then it has a 50-minute cycle after. So you can choose whatever one you prefer. It does have the bottom vent and the back vent, so it will be sucking in air and pushing out the clean air. It works amazing. I love the fact that it's small. I can plug it in any room that I want. I plan on getting more because they do work so great, but that's just my point of view.